A very shocking moment for, I think, all the citizens of the state. I had met late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Singh Khan. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow, I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's getting better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan, who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Singh Khan. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss. And I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in eternal bliss.
The Business Advisory Committee took place this morning at 9:30 to take a decision on the sudden demise of our number 1 Shillong parliamentary constituency member of parliament who passed away last night, Dr. Ricky A.J. Singh Khan. And the BAC had received the consent of the government, since it was the day scheduled for having the budget presentation today. So we have to seek the consent of the government, and the government has given us consent to adjourn the House for the day, for today. And the revised calendar is being prepared, and which will be presented on Monday with the sense of the House. Then I can announce you the exact calendar, the revised calendar of the House. Most probably it will be carried over to the next day, which is coming Monday. There will be an obituary reference in the House today, after which the House will be adjourned for the day in honor and respect of the departed soul.